Fitness thing is not just external or physical. It's much more complicated. He was looking to expand his family, but right now he's facing issues with like erectile dysfunction, ED, these things and all. Women clients who are suffering with PCOD and PCOS, these kind of conditions, but just because of that, they are unable to conceive.
How do we prioritize protein?
Whatever diet that you follow, whether you are a vegetarian or non-vegetarian, आज की डेट में गूगल भी मत करो, ChatGPT है ना, just write over there, I'm a vegetarian. What are my protein sources? Meal prepping is a life skill. I love it. First of all, you know exactly आपकी body में क्या जा रहा है. And there are systems, there are equipments. Air fryer में आपको कोई baby sitting नहीं करनी पड़ती. Just put a thing in the air fryer and it's ready within like few minutes. आपको वहाँ पे खड़ा भी नहीं होना पड़ रहा. तो solutions पड़े हैं मार्केट में.
I was just seeing a video in that is showing कि कोई आंटी है वो प्रे कर रहे हैं और वो पेप्सी से प्रे कर रहे हैं. उसके बाद वो प्रसाद में भी उसको कोक दे रहे हैं. वो था हेल्थ के लिए कि आपकी हेल्थ सही रहे.
They don't have a strong why. अभी उनको चांटा नहीं पड़ा उस चीज़ का, फिटनेस का और हेल्थ का. जब उनको लगेगा ना, they are getting stuck at their job. They are not getting that promotion because they are not confident. They are not, expand their family.
Healthy juices are there. But when you look at their content,
Yeah.
if a juice has 40% sugar, how can it be healthy? We were talking just now about weight loss, health tips, and everything.
Yeah.
How has your journey been, your personal journey about health?
It's been pretty good. And this was like my, fourth attempt into fitness. So ऐसा नहीं है कि like, I'm bragging about my results and all. It took me like almost a decade to get here. So I've also been, at that normal person situation कि जब मेरे पास भी resources नहीं थे, knowledge नहीं थी, those kind of situations. But yeah, like that's the journey, I would say, It takes a while and that's how you learn. The only thing that matters is कि are you improving and are you reaching towards your goal or not?
I think international students के पास इतना टाइम नहीं होता कि वो हेल्थ पे प्रॉपर फोकस कर पाए. So what's your suggestion for them?
अगर आपके पास खाना खाने का टाइम है तो आपके पास हेल्थ पे फोकस करने का टाइम है. That's how I say it. It's just that you need to accept the situation. Yeah.
It's beautiful.
तो आपको accept करना पड़ेगा कि like अगर आप as an international student हो, different priorities हैं, so adopt those easy to use, systems and all, ताकि वो integrate हो जाए आपके lifestyle में.
Okay.
Yeah.
Let's start with the 5 tips we were talking about.
Okay.
अगर कोई अपने न्यूट्रिशन ठीक करना चाहता है, if someone wants to do weight gain or weight loss, okay, just basically getting healthy,
Yeah.
what are the 5 tips you would give them? How they should start and where they should go? 5 easy steps.
Okay. सबसे पहले तो like 80% whole foods, go for that thing. कि अपने processed foods, मैं ये नहीं कह रहा बिल्कुल ख़त्म कर दो. I know we are living in a modern era. वो होते हैं हमारे part life में. Go for like whole foods, By whole foods I mean जो nature foods हैं हमारे rice, grains and all, हमारे lentils हो गए, ये सब चीज़ें. Or if you're a non-vegetarian, go for lean protein sources like chicken.
We are adding fruits and veggies also in this.
Yes, fruits and veggies. वो बहुत ज़रूरी हैं for enough fiber. It's very important to keep you full as well. Satiety hormone हमारा leptin hormone बहुत regulated रहता है उन चीज़ों की वजह से. So yeah, that's the the number one priority. Second thing is which requires like zero effort and zero equipment. Start walking.
So you talked about oatmeal.
Yeah.
Easiest way to make oatmeal?
Yeah.
Quick.
ओट्स डालो एक ग्लास कंटेनर में, वाटर डालो. अब अगर आप नट्स प्रेफर करते हो या कोई फ्रूट प्रेफर करते हो, आधा बनाना काट के डाल दिया या कोई नट्स डाल दिए, कुड बी आलमंड्स, कुड बी वॉलनट्स. मैं पर्सनली डेट्स एंड वॉलनट्स बहुत इंजॉय करता हूँ. माइक्रोवेव इट फॉर 2 to 3 minutes, योर मील इज़ रेडी. अब ये तो इंस्टेंट हो गया. इफ़ यू नीड समथिंग फॉर द मॉर्निंग, डू दिस एट नाइट. माइक्रोवेव भी करने की नहीं ज़रूरत नहीं, लीव इट इन द फ्रिज, इट्स ऑलरेडी रेडी है. सुबह रेडी टू ईट पड़ा आपका मील फ्रिज में.
2 steps we have done. Third one
would be keep yourself hydrated, 3 to 4 liters of water. And ये भी आपको ट्रैक करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. Just do it for a while, 2 to 3 days. Check naturally your urine color and all. अगर वो ज़्यादा whitish की तरफ है, you are in a good range. That's it. I'm still not recommending you to order those fancy bottles from Amazon. If you enjoy it, if you have the money, if you have the resources, कर लो. But उसकी भी ज़रूरत नहीं है. I have myself never tracked any water intake till now. After being in fitness for like almost 4 years now. I just go with the urine color. You'll start feeling it.
That
So
you have
that's
enough
important.
water in body.
Yes.
Let's go with the fourth one.
Strength training.
Okay.
अब strength training में मैं ये नहीं कह रहा कि gym जाओ.
So one quick
Yeah.
thing.
Mhm.
Strength training, you have told after 3 points.
Yes.
So the fourth point is coming strength training.
Yes.
क्या strength training first point नहीं है? Because I think जो भी fit होना चाह रहा है या even they are wishing to gain weight or
Yeah.
lose weight,
Yeah, yeah.
the first thing they do is to go to gym.
Yeah.
Is it not the first point then?
उससे पहले प्रायोरिटीज वाइज अगर आपने नोटिस किया होगा, मैंने वॉकिंग से स्टार्ट किया. चलते तो आप रोज हो अभी भी, यू नो. इट्स जस्ट दैट यू आर नॉट वॉकिंग इनफ. हमको वॉल्यूम इंक्रीज करनी है, तो मैं प्रायोरिटीज वाइज उससे जा रहा हूँ. एक तो आपकी रिसोर्सेज वाइज कम से कम इन्वेस्टमेंट लगे. ऑल्सो यू नो यू आर अवॉइडिंग दोज एकदम से कि चेंज आ गया लाइफ में, आपको कोई एडिशनल एफर्ट नहीं करना पड़ रहा. दैट्स व्हाई आई एम गोइंग विद दैट प्रायोरिटी. स्ट्रेंथ ट्रेनिंग में थोड़ा सा मेंटल एफर्ट आ जाता है, आपको थोड़े फॉर्म सीखने होते हैं, मूवमेंट सीखनी पड़ती हैं. अभी भी मैं इक्विपमेंट पे नहीं जा रहा. बॉडी वेट इज गुड इनफ टू स्टार्ट विद.
So we are not going gym, you can do it at home.
इफ यू आर अ बिगिनर, यस, स्टार्ट विद बॉडी वेट. पुशअप से स्टार्ट करो, एंड देन यू नो इफ यू आर इन अ पार्क और समथिंग, वहाँ पे हमारे यहाँ पे वो इक्विपमेंट्स होते हैं, स्टार्ट विद पुलअप्स और समथिंग. बहुत सारी ऐसी बॉडी वेट मूवमेंट्स हैं. एक्सरसाइज तो बहुत दूर आती है. यू नीड टू go through the journey. That's the process.
Okay.
Once you are okay, good enough, okay, you are doing 10 push-ups a day, then let's progress to the next. वो अंदर से खुद से आएगा यार. Hunger increases. That's how humans are designed. We'll always be hungry. You get to one level, you'll be like, okay, what's next? If I directly put you to okay, सीधा gym जाओ, I know you will quit.
Because of being lazy, I think.
Lazy नहीं, क्योंकि और चीज़ें बहुत steps हैं उसके बीच में. आपको commute करना पड़ रहा है. If you don't have a car, let's say, ठीक है, तो बस या वॉकिंग ऐड होगी, आधा घंटा और ऐड हो गया. यही चीज़ यार घर पे एक बार ही हो जाती, फिर खुद से अंदर से आवाज़ आती है, ओके यू नो लेट्स गो, नाउ आई कैन प्रोग्रेस टू द नेक्स्ट लेवल.
Great. Fifth one.
Prioritize protein.
So how do we prioritize protein?
First of all, whatever diet that you follow, whether you are a vegetarian or non-vegetarian, आज की डेट में गूगल भी मत करो, चैट जीपीटी है ना, जस्ट राइट ओवर देयर, आई एम अ वेजिटेरियन, what are my protein sources?
Beautiful. That's the best use of ChatGPT I have heard.
Give me how many grams should I eat to get this much of protein. It will give you that list. So again, when it comes to figuring out things,
Use technology.
yeah, use methods. सब कुछ है available आज के time.
I think mostly जो लोग अभी सफ़र कर रहे हैं, time constraint is a big issue. क्योंकि international students, mostly NRIs here, 12 से 15 घंटे काम कर रहे हैं वो लोग. They're working 12 hours a day,
Yeah.
and after coming back, getting 8 hours of sleep, 1 hour of rest time, they have very less time left to prepare their food
Yeah.
or something. They just relax and they go to work back again. And mostly have night shifts. So I'm talking about students. Mostly have night shifts. So even their sleep is compromised.
Yeah.
What do they do?
As I said, adopt the right systems that are meant for you. You are trying to adopt something जो कि it's designed for a bodybuilder or something. He's meant to work 5 to 6 days a week. You're a normal person. You're a student right now. You don't need to work that much. Even a 2-day workout a week is sufficient enough for you. What matters is, are you covering all of your muscle groups or not? Result मत change करो, change the formula.
Can you explain it a bit more?
For example, there are like million ways to achieve the same thing.
Of course, yes.
The one thing that would work for me, as per my routine, it's not necessary that it would work for you as well.
बिल्कुल.
So we must not change or compromise on the result. End result क्या है? To be healthy, to look good, be in good shape, moods regulated रहें, ये रहें. अब उस चीज़ को attain करने के लिए, achieve करने के लिए, there are million ways. You just need to find the one that works for you in your scenario.
I think as a coach of fitness, you must have had many experiences of people coming to you with different problems.
Yeah.
Many way emotional to even share.
Yeah.
Would you like to share any?
Recently, like I had a call with someone. So again, as I said, this whole fitness thing is not just external or physical. It's much more complicated. Like he was looking to expand his family, but right now he's facing issues with like erectile dysfunction, ED, these things and all. I've had, you know, women clients who are suffering with PCOD and PCOS, these kind of conditions, but just because of that, you know, state and that certain health condition, they are unable to conceive.
Because of nutrition, proper nutrition in the body.
Basically, lifestyle issue. They are
Lifestyle, yeah.
overweight. Because of being overweight, they are getting these conditions: thyroid, PCOS, PCOD, irregular periods.
Mhm.
So that's how it gets compounded over time if you don't fix it at the right moment.
So what were these situations? Would like to share any story of any client?
Yeah, like again, as I said, it's all fixable. You know, all you need to do is just first of all accept that okay, you are at a really, you know, um, bad situation when it comes to these things. Accept, and then figure out okay, why do you want to change? That's the first question I ask my clients. Okay, why do you want to, you know, go through this program or my coaching or something?
And what
What's the
is the
reason?
majority answer?
Yeah, it's mostly this only. Like they are unable to progress to their next step of life. It could be like okay, getting a dream job for someone. They're not confident because they're facing these self-image issues. When they're in a, you know, group of people, they are unable to speak confidently because they imagine that image in their mind that मैं बोलती हुई कैसी लग रही हूँ, मैं बोलता हुआ कैसा लग रहा हूँ. कितनी opportunities वहाँ पे ऐसे lose हो जाती हैं just because of, you know, being not confident about your body.
So the why is important.
Exactly. Like I get clients who are like, okay, I recently had a kid. Before having the kid, I was like very active. I used to, you know, travel with my husband. I used to go on vacations and all. After having kid, I don't know what happened. I'm unable to play with my kids. तो तुम्हारा जो एक लाइफ इवेंट हुआ आपकी लाइफ में, मेन पार्ट तो यही था ना. The whole concept of all of these events is you're nurturing your life.
Yes.
You're trying to be better. And once that event is happening, if you're not able to enjoy it properly because of your health
You
reasons,
feel missing out because you're not able to be
exactly.
in the moment.
Yeah, missing out se zyada, it's like, you know, you're not being efficient and productive, and you're not able to give your 100% when it comes to these things. चलो 100% भी perfect हो गया. Let's just talk it like okay, you know, just giving your best. I don't put a percentage or something to these things. Just giving your best. वो internally तुमको feel होता है. There's a certain mental block that you feel in your body. Okay, यार, I want to do this, but I don't know. Something is missing.
कोई स्टूडेंट जो 12 घंटे लगातार काम कर रहा है, what is the approach that they have to follow? क्या easiest ways हैं अगर हम 2-3 ways में बात करें? What are the easiest ways they can follow?
You mean like working out wise, nutrition wise?
Nutrition wise to improve the lifestyle.
Okay, okay. Usually students का इसके अंदर क्या होता है कि first of all the kind of jobs that they are doing over here, I would say 90% of them they are already very physically intensive. So activity wise they are already very active. They need to prioritize sleep and recovery. अब वो मैं समझता हूँ कि 5 days a week 4 days a week भी वो चीज़ नहीं इतनी अचीव होती. स्लीप कॉम्प्रोमाइज़ होती है. सो यू गो इन अ स्लीप डेफिसिट स्टेट. वहाँ पे आपको थोड़ा माइंडसेट पे वर्क करना है कि जब वीकेंड आएगा आई डेडिकेट सम मोर, you know, time to
Hours to
my
sleep.
rest and recovery and all, rather than drinking randomly on weekends. That's the thing I kind of hate about this country, this weekend culture. Without any reason you are, you know, smoking up, and you know you are you go to LCBO जैसी Saturday होता है, अब उठा के ले आते हो without any reason. There's no reason behind it. So your social circle matters a lot. I say this honestly. Like if, you know, the people around you are having like unhealthy habits and they indulge in such, you know, activities and all on a regular basis without any reason, even if you get fit, you won't be able to sustain it. Because that social consumption that you are doing around you, it won't work in your favor. So again, mindset, approach, the way you see things, the way you see the world, वहाँ पे काम करना पड़ता है to sustain these
Okay.
things.
What else?
As I said, if you are like someone, you know, who's already very physically active because of your jobs and all, क्योंकि वो students की jobs उस तरह की होती है, मैं समझता हूँ, I've myself been there. After that, yeah, focus on your nutrition, eat clean foods. And if you're following the right system, you know, meal prepping is such a life skill. I would say it's a life skill. जैसे driving life skill है, you know, it optimizes your ease of, you know, doing things and all. Meal prepping is a life skill. I love it. First of all, you know exactly आपकी body में क्या जा रहा है. और इंडिया जैसे हमारे यहाँ पे, यू नो, वी आर नॉट ब्लेस्ड विद, यू नो, मॉम एंड डैड ओवर हेयर कि अगर आप फर्स्ट जनरेशन हो यहाँ पे, आपके लिए वो नई चीज़ जो आएगी तो वो चीज़ को एक्सेप्ट करो. एंड देर आर सिस्टम्स, देर आर इक्विपमेंट्स. एयर फ्रायर में आपको कोई, यू नो, बेबी सिटिंग नहीं करनी पड़ती. जस्ट पुट अ थिंग इन द एयर फ्रायर एंड इट्स रेडी विद इन लाइक, यू नो, फ्यू मिनट्स. आपको वहाँ पे खड़ा भी नहीं होना पड़ रहा. तो solutions पड़े हैं market में. It's just that because of these, marketing and these many things and all, you're forced to, go on that food ordering apps and all, and you just go with the easiest way. बट अगर आप उसको ट्रैक करोगे 15 मिनट तो वहाँ भी लग रहे हैं. उससे कम में मैं आपको चिकन बना के दिखाऊंगा एयर फ्रायर में. It's just that you need to adopt that approach. Just get used to it. Put that effort.
Okay, recently I read this thing कि whey protein is actually causing issues in the body. Is it some way true? Like,
Again, it depends on a
think?
brand to brand basis.
Okay.
Yeah. When it comes to, these Western brands and all, like especially in US and Canada, personally I have experienced, again, body depend करता है. कईयों को bloating issues होते हैं. But there's plant-based protein are also available. Why do you need to go with whey? Plant-based protein option भी है. It's just that you need to try different things. Keep your mind open. Okay, if this is not working for me, let's try this. As I said, you don't need to change the result. Change the formula.
Exactly.
Yeah.
You told me about truck drivers that some truck drivers approached you for a healthy, plan of diet, and they had issues after 15-20 years of their profession.
Yes.
So क्या issues उन्होंने face किए? What issues they faced? And what solution did you give?
Issues mostly यही कि after working like long hours, their health is getting compromised. They feel lazy, and driving के time पे बहुत ज़्यादा होता है. They feel sleepy because of those lifestyle issues and all. How dangerous it is to to feel sleepy if you're driving on the road. If that's your job on a regular
basis. It's a truck. It's not a car.
It's a truck. And you have a family. You're risking all those things. So वो core reason वहाँ पे वो lifestyle issues आ जाते हैं. So again, obviously it compounds to different health reasons as well. As I said, females में these PCOS, thyroid, these things are very common. Men में अलग strength levels, low testosterone levels, ED, these things are very common. If these things compound.
So what solution did you give?
Solutions, it's all about, as I said, first of all, accept your situation, that your lifestyle is sedentary. You're driving for long hours. And 7 days तो कोई भी नहीं करता. By law वो allowed भी नहीं है. I know इनकी कुछ log books वगैरह होती हैं. So I understand that. कुछ particular hours ही होते हैं. So as I said, whatever free time that you have, rather than indulging on those, unhealthy and, that drinking and these things and all, work out. Instead of going to LCBO, dedicate some time for home workouts. 45 minutes a day, 2 day a week workout is sufficient enough to make you lose like 15 kgs within the next 6 to 7 months. Again, body to body depend करती है. ये मैं एक recent case scenario की वजह से मैं आपको एक example दे रहा हूँ. And ये चीज़ें भी important है. I'm not saying you कि like completely cut out alcohol or whatever these things that you enjoy. Just have a reason behind it. Celebrations are only meant to be done when there's a reason behind it. Not like, okay, I have a day off. Practice sacrifice on a daily level. That's what leads you to your results and all.
So you told us your why should be important.
अगर आपको फर्क पड़ता है ना किसी चीज से, efforts अपने आप आएंगे. Just ask yourself, why are you driving for 12 hours? Because you care about your financial situation. You care about not getting broke in this country and all by yourself. You don't want to live on the streets. You have a mortgage, or you care about paying all of these bills. तभी इतना काम कर रहे हो ना.
You care about your family back in India.
Yes. तो वहाँ पे जब financial reasons की वजह से इतना बड़ा strong why है, जब खुद ही ना रहे तो क्या फायदा उस चीज का?
So if your why is strong enough,
Yeah.
the how becomes easy.
Yes. If you have a strong why, you can bear any how.
Now let's get to supplements. People usually say this कि आपको अगर दिन में 70 ग्राम प्रोटीन चाहिए, if you need 70 gram of protein in a day, just why not to go with supplements? Easy. If you need, let's say, this much vitamin B12, this much vitamin A, just go with supplements.
Yeah. सबसे पहले तो definition समझो. Supplement by the word means if something is missing, so we have this to fulfill that need. अगर कुछ missing है. So that's why it's the last priority when it comes to these kind of things.
Okay.
कि यार B12 तो यार भगवान ने ऐसा कोई फूड बनाया ही नहीं कि हमको B12 नहीं मिल रहा. ओ माय गॉड, फिर मेरे को ये लेना पड़ेगा. अब आता है सप्लीमेंट हाई प्रायोरिटी में. उससे पहले जो भगवान ने बनाई हैं चीज़ें, लाइक दीज नेचुरल फूड्स एंड ऑल, सब कुछ है उनमें. फिक्स दोज थिंग्स. सप्लीमेंट इज द लास्ट प्रायोरिटी. फिक्स योर 80% ऑफ फूड. Then even then, if there is something missing, we'll talk about these things, like to add it in your routine and all.
किसी को भी न्यूट्रिशन के लिए for a healthy nutrition, what are the best piece of advice you'd like to give? Like ऐसे क्या एडवाइस आप देना चाहोगे जो आपके न्यूट्रिशन लेवल को एटलीस्ट बैलेंस कर दें? और आप ये पता कैसे लगाओगे कि न्यूट्रिशन आपकी बॉडी में प्रॉपर नहीं जा रहा अभी? बिकॉज मोस्टली पीपल से मैं ठीक तो हूँ, आई एम टोटली फाइन, आई एम वर्किंग एवरी डे, एवरीथिंग इज गुड, बट व्हेन दे गो फॉर टेस्टिंग ऑफ न्यूट्रिशन देन दे रियलाइज कि सब कुछ तो कम है.
वो अगेन एज अ सेड के लाइफस्टाइल अपना ना एग्जामिन करना, थोड़ा बी मोर अलर्ट अबाउट दीज थिंग्स. द पीपल हु सफ़र फ्रॉम दीज कंडीशंस, अगर टेस्ट वगैरह ऐसे गलत आ रहे होते हैं, उनको वॉकिंग में भी इश्यूज आ रहे होते हैं, वो चेयर पे भी बैठ के लेजी फील कर रहे होते हैं, वो प्रोडक्टिव नहीं फील कर रहे होते. इफ़ यू जस्ट फिक्स दीज थिंग्स, दैट्स द क्लोजेस्ट यू कैन बी टू अ सुपर ह्यूमन, आई वुड से.
व्हाट आर द इजीएस्ट एंड क्विक वेज जिससे आप फिक्स कर सकते हो? जैसे आपको पता लगा कि आप में कुछ न्यूट्रिशन की कमी है,
या
यू आर लैकिंग सम न्यूट्रिशन, पीपल व्हाट दे डू, सप्लीमेंट लिए खत्म.
या
अकॉर्डिंग टू यू बेस्ट ऑप्शन क्या है?
As I said, it's just the basic things. Be out in the nature, walk in the sunlight, eat clean food. आपने एक balance word use किया. Balance का मतलब क्या होता है कि food में सब कुछ है. Every food is made of like 3 components. I'll tell you an equation over this thing. So हर food को सिर्फ ऐसे मत देखो यार ये spicy है या ये मीठा है. That's the mindset we need to change. Every food is made of X grams of protein, Y grams of carbs, and Z gram of fats. Whatever diet that you follow, if you're a human, it's your responsibility to understand आपका food portfolio क्या है. By food portfolio I mean what are those regular things that you eat on a daily basis. हम रोज़ तो outside of our staple foods हम नहीं खाते. हम mostly I would say 80% of time throughout the week हम एक अपनी regular cuisine खाते हैं, which we are used to eating since childhood. Use ChatGPT. कितना टाइम लगता है वहाँ पे एक लाइन लिखने में, व्हाट इज द न्यूट्रिशन वैल्यू ऑफ लेंटिल्स, इट विल गिव यू द एग्जैक्ट थिंग.
एंड हाउ मच शुड आई कंज्यूम?
हाउ मच शुड यू कंज्यूम, कितना टाइम लगता है वहाँ पे. मेरे से कोचिंग लेने की भी नहीं आपको जरूरत, इफ यू आर स्मार्ट इनफ टू गो इन चैट जीपीटी एंड डू दीज थिंग्स. अगेन बात वहाँ पे एफर्ट की आ जाती है. वी ह्यूमंस नीड अ लॉट मोर देन टेक. दैट्स व्हाई से ये डिबेट भी आजकल इंटरनेट पे बहुत चल रही है, लाइक एआईज वुड replace humans and all. They can't. They lack emotional connection. एक robot में emotional connection कैसे आ जाएगा?
I think that's where the corporations are working कि वो कैसे emotional connection डालें उसके अंदर.
Exactly. Yeah. I don't know. पता नहीं क्या एक stage पे आ भी जाए, but I don't think so. It could be smarter than God. I believe in God. I believe in the Creator.
You told you have been into fitness a decade already. बहुत लंबा टाइम है ये. 10 साल बहुत लंबा टाइम
I
है.
haven't been into fitness. I was trying to be into fitness since a decade. Yeah. So throughout the first 18 years of my life, I've been weak physically. I have been underconfident when it comes to my the way my body looked and all, those kind of things. So
That feeling that emotion of underconfidence, of being left out, I would say, and low self-confidence completely.
yeah.
And now being into fitness, coaching.
Yeah.
How does it feel like? What's your personal story? What's your personal journey?
पर्सनल जर्नी यही है कि हमेशा से एक चीज़ मिसिंग फील होती थी. आज की मॉडर्न लाइफ के रिलेटेड एक एग्जांपल बताता हूँ. हर साल नया आईफोन लॉन्च होता है, राइट? अभी आपके पास कौन सा फ़ोन है? विच वर्जन आर यू हैविंग?
12 Pro.
12 Pro. जब अभी 15 Pro आया था लास्ट ईयर, कैसा फील हुआ था?
आ गया नया फोन, सही है.
नहीं, कुछ मिसिंग सा फील हुआ?
हाँ, मतलब द बेस्ट थिंग इज कि आपका फोन स्लो हो जाता है तो आपको लगता है यार कुछ करें, अपग्रेड करें इसको.
बेसिकली एक गैप फील होता है ना मेंटली कि यार वर्ल्ड में करंटली यार कुछ एक नया आ गया.
एंड आई एम मिसिंग आउट फ्रॉम दैट.
आई एम मिसिंग आउट फ्रॉम समथिंग. यार वो कितना फास्ट है, कितना वो लाइक नेक्स्ट लेवल है. मैं कहाँ अटका हुआ हूँ. वो मेंटल ब्लॉक फील होता था कि देयर इज समथिंग व्हाट आई कैन अचीव. आई डोंट हैव दैट राइट नाउ. आई नीड टू लर्न द प्रोसेस. तो बीइंग अनफिट throughout the first 18 years of my life, when I say I was lacking strength, I was lacking, I've never been into any like sport or something. And school time tak to like I used to be that average heighted guy. वो इंडिया में होता ना कि height wise खड़े होते हो. I used to be on the second or the third number. That's how I've been throughout my childhood. वो education culture ही ऐसा, that's how Indian thing is like it's based on that thing कि आपको तब से realize होता है यार you are lacking something. This is the thing I love about these Western countries. दे एक्सेप्ट एवरीवन। आपको तब से वो फील हो जाता है, शायद उन्हीं रीजंस की वजह से चाइल्डहुड से वो चीज़ इवॉल्व हुई होगी, दैट आई फेल्ट सम देयर इज समथिंग मिसिंग, बट आई ऑल्सो अंडरस्टूड इट के आई वोंट लेट इट बी द सेम। तो वो जैसे अब वो टेक्नोलॉजी वाली जो मैंने एग्जांपल दी, जिस तरह का आपको एक टेक से इतना फील होता है, सोचो व्हेन इट कम्स टू योर ओन बॉडी हेल्थ जिसके अंदर आप रह रहे हो, तो व्हेन यू नो समथिंग ओके देयर इज समथिंग आउट इन द वर्ल्ड दैट्स बेटर देन दिस, व्हेन यू कैन बी अ सुपर ह्यूमन एज कम्पेयर टू जस्ट अ ह्यूमन, तो वो ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है रादर देन दीज टेकी मटीरियलिस्टिक थिंग्स एंड ऑल।
आई थिंक एक क्वेश्चन काफी लोगों का होता है
Yeah.
इस चीज में। ऑफ कोर्स वी कैन प्रिपेयर आवर मील, एवरीथिंग कैन बी डन, इट टेक्स हार्डली 2 minutes, but when you are hungry you need something quick, you don't
Yeah.
want to do anything,
Yeah.
you're like कि भाई just कुछ दे दो मुझे, and that's it.
Yeah.
That time you don't see any legumes there. If you have oatmeal,
Yeah,
you're
yeah.
like, let's order pizza, within 30 minutes I'll have it and I'll eat it. I would say that power to stop it, from where do you get it?
अब इस चीज़ पे मैं ब्लेम नहीं करूंगा, दीज सिचुएशंस आर पार्ट ऑफ लाइफ, गो विद इट। मैंने क्या बोला, 80% ऑफ होल फूड्स, 20% इन चीज़ों के लिए है यार टाइम, यू आर ह्यूमन, गो विद इट। आई माई सेल्फ गो विद इट, लाइक अगर अभी मैं किसी ट्रिप पे जाता हूँ, आपको क्या लगता है मैं वहाँ पे किचन स्केल लेके जाता हूँ, मेजरिंग थिंग्स एंड ऑल? नो, दोज थिंग्स आर मेंट टू बी एंजॉयड, इट्स अ पार्ट ऑफ लाइफ, गो विद इट, आई एम नॉट स्टॉपिंग यू फ्रॉम दोज थिंग्स। बट अगर ये रोज आपकी लाइफ में हो रहा है, फिर यू आर लैकिंग ऑन योर एफिशिएंसी एंड योर टाइम मैनेजमेंट। आई विल बी ब्रूटली ऑनेस्ट इन दैट, यू आर नॉट एफिशिएंट। अगर ये रोज ऐसे हो रहा है आपके पास कि यार पता ही नहीं है, फिर आपने तो मतलब फिर माइंडसेट इशू है ना, आपने इन चीज़ों पे ध्यान ही नहीं है, अगेन एज अ सेड, यू डोंट हैव अ स्ट्रॉन्ग वाई, ध्यान ही नहीं जा रहा आपकी हेल्थ की तरफ। अभी वो एक आपको एक हेल्थ का वो चांटा नहीं पड़ा, आप ऐसे कह सकते हो, जो वो पड़ेगा ना तो समझ आ जाए।
तो वो चांटा आपको कब पड़ा था?
नहीं, मेरे को एज सच एक पर्टिकुलर मोमेंट पे नहीं पड़ा, एज ए सेड लाइक थ्रू आउट माई 18 years ऑफ लाइफ, वो जो मैं एक चीज़ मिस करता था, वो छोटा छोटा रोज पड़ता था वो, तो इट्स कंपाउंडेड थ्रू दैट जर्नी।
आई हैव फ्रेंड्स
या
जो डेली कोक ले रहे हैं, no matter what, their meal has to be with Coke or Pepsi,
या
otherwise they cannot eat it.
वो लैक ऑफ अवेयरनेस, दे डोंट हैव अ स्ट्रॉन्ग वाई, अभी उनको चांटा नहीं पड़ा उस चीज़ का, फिटनेस का और हेल्थ का। जब उनको लगेगा ना दे आर गेटिंग स्टक एट देयर जॉब, दे आर नॉट गेटिंग दैट प्रमोशन बिकॉज दे आर नॉट कॉन्फिडेंट, they are not expand their family because
Sometimes I think आपकी body आपको नहीं बताती, like you stay as you are, you're not fat, you're not thin, you stay as you are, and that's when you don't realize कि अंदर क्या चल रहा है body में, and at a point of time you understand कि ये तो हो गया finish.
वो कंपाउंड होता है उस चीज़ में। वी आर लाइक दीज डेज so much busy in our regular days and all, बट छोटे छोटे हिंट्स तो मिलते हैं, ऐसे नहीं मैं कह सकता लाइक you come on, you're living in your body, it's not something external, you're just ignorant enough right now that you're not paying attention to it because you're not prioritizing it, and there's no like as such इसमें कुछ गलत बात नहीं है to prioritize your your career and all and these things. I'm just asking you to be aware about, like as in Indians की आप बात यहाँ पे कर लो इस country में, as being an immigrant, I understand that top priorities is settling down, wealth creation. Same thing is with me as well, but I make sure my health creation is in sync with my wealth creation, so that I can enjoy it to the utmost level and all. What's the point of it if I'm sitting at my own bed in $1 million house, if I'm not able to walk properly, if I'm not able to play with my kids, if I'm not able to confidently speak with someone, if I'm not able to go outside my house and walk in
But
the
you have $1
nature.
million.
But I have $1 million house, yeah. What's the point of those shitty walls?
There are a lot of podcasts online. There are a lot of videos online who talking about all this. Let's pin down 5 easy and instant foods that you can just make. Let's talk about first vegetarian 5 foods and 5 non-vegetarian foods.
Okay.
So first about 5 vegetarian foods that someone can cook instantly and get ready within 5 minutes or 10 minutes.
Greek yogurt is very common in this country.
Is it not unhealthy? They're flavored, I saw.
You can go with the unflavored version. Again, as I said, you are, like as I said in the supplementation example as well, you're focusing on a very, small thing that might be the reason behind this. But right now, our priority is to go with something clean. There are options available. So first prioritize it that way. Like, okay, if you feel like, okay, the flavored one is, because of some reason you feel like, okay, it's unhealthy.
Bit better.
Yeah, or it's unhealthy or it can cause some issues, there is a unflavored version also available. Go with that. Add nuts in it. You can add fruits in it. कितना टाइम लगता है?
Quick.
30 seconds. ये भी ज़्यादा ही है
Okay.
क्योंकि उसमें भी आपको एक वो पॉड खोलना है, नट्स डालने हैं.
And you told it's like 9 grams of protein, I think. You
8
told
grams of
8
protein
grams of
per.
protein.
It differs from a product to product basis, but on an average, 100 grams of Greek yogurt has around 8 grams of protein.
Which else? Second one.
The other one, oatmeal example. Yeah, if you are someone like who has an early morning work or something, रात को करके सो जाओ. You know, after your dinner, get some oats, put some water, and add some nuts or fruits into it. If you're using whey protein and all, you can add a scoop into it. वो protein content और ज़्यादा बढ़ जाएगा उसका. Just keep it in the fridge. Your meal is ready. Boiling eggs, boiled eggs.
Oh yeah.
Eggs are, you know, I would say the best blessing from the God. I would say they're full of multivitamins. They're nutrient bombs. Boil करने में आपको वहाँ पे खड़े होने की भी नहीं ज़रूरत. Set a timer on your phone and all. Okay, 15 minutes. Peanut butter toast.
Is it not unhealthy?
Again, there's no food and there's no particular food that is healthy or unhealthy. Your diet is healthy or unhealthy. Weekly averages, मैं दिन पे भी नहीं कह रहा. अगर week में majority 80% of foods की हमने बात की थी, you know, 20% कुछ और भी हो रहा है, it's fine. That's life.
Let's go with the fifth food.
Yeah.
Instant food.
Fifth food, उसमें you just need the right equipment, I would say. Like if I say you can cook chicken with zero cooking time.
No, we are talking about vegetarian.
Okay, vegetarian. हाँ, उसमें go with पनीर.
Paneer, okay.
हाँ, पनीर उसके अंदर आपको ऐसे सॉटे करने की भी नहीं ज़रूरत. If you like to, you know, saute it, get air fryers. Equipment भी थोड़े अपने, you know, upgrade करो. We are living in a modern era. Get an air fryer and yeah, just put paneer in that. And ऊपर से you can just put your seasonings, whatever. There are 0-calorie spices and seasonings available. Low-calorie sauces available. कितना टाइम लगा? And the benefit of these appliances is you don't need to babysit them. So cooking time उसमें count होता है. If you're standing on the stove, you're like,
आप तड़का बना रहे हो basically.
Yeah.
आप सब्जी बना रहे हो. You're cooking it.
You know how I cook my chicken or, you know, any vegetarian meal or something? I put it in the air fryer. I go for a shower. By the time I come down from the shower, it's ready. So think how you can automate things, how you can parallelly do things.
Okay.
Yeah. There are solutions available.
Okay, let's talk about non-veg now. 5 quick instant.
नॉन-वेज में सबसे बेस्ट तो यही है, लाइक यू नो, चिकन अपना मैरिनेट करके पहले से रख दो. यू कैन डू इट ट्वाइस अ वीक. अगर एक बार ही करना है पूरे वीक में तो वो फ्रीज करना पड़ता है, नहीं तो वो थोड़ा ख़राब हो जाता है. अगेन फ्रिज होता है हर घर में. यहाँ पे तो कंस्ट्रक्शन के साथ वो पहले ही होता है. इंडिया जैसे नहीं है कि, यू नो, आपको ऑर्डर करना है बाद में. यहाँ पे आपको घर ही फ्रिज के साथ मिलता है. सो या, मैरिनेटेड ट्वाइस अ वीक, लेट्स से. कितना टाइम लगता है मैरिनेट करने में? 10 minutes. Yeah. And then whenever you want to have it, cook it fresh, put it in the air fryer, go for a shower, go for a walk, chat with your girlfriend. You can do anything. Watch TV. तब तक आपका बन गया, खा लो. Salad भी उसमें ही रख दो. I saute my salad in the air fryer.
Oh.
I used to be that person जिसने इंडिया में कभी चाय नहीं बनाई थी. Now I teach people how to eat. So you can see the journey. मैंने इंडिया में कभी खुद से स्टोव नहीं चलाया था.
और अभी आप इंस्टेंट कुकिंग की टिप्स दे रहे हो.
एग्जैक्टली. सो यू कैन सी, वो ये कोड भी है कि लाइक, यू नो, अगर किसी से सीखना हो ना कि यार ये काम जल्दी कैसे करना है, आस्क इट फ्रॉम द मोस्ट लेजिएस्ट पर्सन. आई एम दैट पर्सन व्हेन इट कम्स टू कुकिंग. सो आई फिगर्ड आउट माय ओन सॉल्यूशंस. एज आई सेड, आई डिडंट कॉम्प्रोमाइज ऑन द रिजल्ट. रिजल्ट क्या है? इट शुड बी टेस्टी, it should be clean, but I figured out my own formula, which is easy, which is spending.
But it has to be healthy on the same place.
Yes. Healthy, tasty, यही दो factors होते हैं.
बिल्कुल.
Yeah. And तीसरा आप ले लो satiety. You know, you should feel full.
Exactly.
ऐसा ना लगे यार कि बना भी लिया, खा भी लिया, but मज़ा नहीं आ रहा.
Full feel नहीं कर रहे.
Yeah, वो तो आएगा क्योंकि 80% आप whole foods खा रहे हो.
First is chicken, marinated chicken.
Yeah.
Second.
Same fish कर लो. Marinate तो आप कुछ भी कर सकते हो. पनीर भी marinate कर सकते हो.
बिल्कुल.
Yeah. Same with vegetarian. Similar thing can be done with soya chunks as well. सोया चंक्स बनाने में कितना टाइम लगता है? पानी में डाला, वो बॉइल्ड हो जाते हैं विद इन लाइक 3 or 4 minutes. एंड देन, और यू कैन ऑल्सो एयर फ्राई इट. अभी लास्ट वीक की बात है, वन ऑफ माई क्लाइंट्स, शी मेड सोया पॉपकॉर्न.
सोया पॉपकॉर्न.
उसने क्या किया, वो सोया चंक्स को थोड़ा पानी में डिप करके, शी यू नो एडेड सम मसालाज और सीजनिंग्स इनटू इट.
सोया के अंदर
सोया चंक्स जो हमारे वो जो ग्रैन्यूल्स आते हैं, न्यूट्रेला या न्यूट्रलाइट, और या देयर सम ब्रांड, या एंड उसको उसने एयर फ्राई कर लिया. soya popcorns.
You can learn anything and you can be
Exactly.
master in it within like 10 to 12 hours.
Yes, yes. ये Elon Musk ने भी अपने kids के लिए कहा था कि like I
Exactly.
won't put them into any school or something. The right content consumption, you know, वो matter करती है कि like what are your platforms, what kind of people you are surrounding with. ये सब consumption ही है. The people you are hanging out with, that's social consumption. The food you are eating, that's nutrient consumption. The content that you're watching, that's called as content
Mental
consumption.
consumption, I would say.
Mental consumption, yeah.
Mhm.
तो वो सारा कुछ ओवरऑल हेल्दी होता है. देयर आर डिफरेंट वेज इन योर बॉडी द वे यू आर कंज्यूमिंग थिंग्स.
Exactly. So, okay, we talked about mental consumption and all this.
Yeah.
What I would say is people right now in Canada, they are facing this problem of, depression, anxiety, stress. And when you talk to them about health and all these issues,
Yeah.
they are like, I'm not able to, do my basic things. I am into depression. I'm into anxiety. I'm not getting a job. And here you're talking about this, being healthy and eating good and, air frying things. It's not relevant to me.
I asked them, one question. Is not able to expand your family not relevant to you? Is not feeling fit throughout your life, or to be able to walk properly when you are 50 years of age, is that not relevant to you? Would you enjoy being in a hospital at the age of 40 or 50 crying about your knees or these kind of things? Is that not relevant to you? You're just not thinking about the compounding effects of this negligence. Easy unhealthy रहना भी नहीं है. Easy, it's not easy to be grow old before you are actually old, I would say. Easy तो कुछ भी नहीं है. So
Choose your easy.
easy. Yeah.
What's easy for you?
Yeah. But ये Y factor, that's how life lessons and all, everything evolves, But वही होता है कि जैसे एल्डर्स हमको कहते होते हैं कि यार मेरे एक्सपीरियंसेस से सीख ले तो अभी समझ जाएगा, नहीं तो you'll be at that situation when you'll be like कि अच्छा अगर वो सिचुएशन वो तब एडवाइस समझी होती तो ऐसे होता. ठीक है, life has its own ways to teach you something. But if there is something which has enough of social proof outside कि यार ये ऐसे होता है.
You have been seeing clients from, I think, quite long time right now.
Yeah.
What is one major issue that people come up with? And or what are the 1-2 major issues people come up with? And what do you suggest them?
Major issue यही है, they are not happy within their own bodies. They are not confident. They're not able to wear their favorite dresses. Very common in women. What's the point of getting that $10,000, $5,000 LV, Louis Vuitton any dress or something if you are not feeling confident within your own body? वो सब दिखावा है. एक नॉर्मल अगर if you'll be in a good shape, कुछ नॉर्मल भी कुछ पहनोगे, you still look good. You put that impact outside. So first of all, be confident in your own skin rather than figuring out some external skins like these fancy clothes and all. Yeah.
Second number पे क्या है?
Second, people are like यार I just don't feel like doing anything.
Activeness problem. I would say.
Activeness, yeah. Like not being productive,
Sedentary lifestyle.
Not being efficient, happy hormones, they're just not happy despite having all the materialistic
They have
things
money,
in their life.
they have everything.
Yeah. I've seen clients crying, they drive in a Tesla every day, they have a $2 million house, but they're not happy.
And again, you have seen people who are in a debt of $20,000 with their car.
Yeah.
And they are very happy. Possibly.
Yeah, matlab,
because they are paying it off, but they're taking care of their health side by side.
Yeah, you can say like अब ये बहुत individualistic एक चीज है. But again, when it comes to
but when you are when your body is fine, when it's all working, when you feel active.
Yeah.
For me, I think health means to feel active, to feel healthy in yourself.
Yeah. I say it as, rather than buying that BMW, be a BMW yourself. You have the capability, as I said, with that iPhone example, there is something better out there. You just need to get it with the right process. It's out there. But yeah, figure out that formula that works for you. By formula, I mean you need a right system that's meant for your lifestyle routine. That's where actually, people go to coaches and all. They need a system, which they are unable to design it themselves.
So knowledge is available, but system is not there.
I would say, let's call it as process. Yeah.
Process is not
Yeah.
there.
The process that's meant for you. Yeah.
So a coach helps you finds out
Yeah.
that process
Yeah.
which will work for you.
Exactly. Again, time is important. You will figure it out yourself as well if your why is strong and you're putting in the efforts. But again, जिसमें आपको 1 साल लगेगा, a coach helps you in like 90 days.
Mm-hmm.
And then you're like, okay, I'm
I'm feeling better
good
now.
enough. अब बताओ six pack abs कैसे आएंगे?
Okay, I'll shoot one more question for you. A problem that many of my friends have faced, been out of India for like already 9 years. India से जब लोग बाहर निकलते हैं, they face one major issue.
Yeah.
That is hair loss. Many of my friends, they have like I have seen some of my seniors at university, and some of my friends, they had this major issue of hair loss. So is it connected with nutrition, lifestyle? Of course,
Yeah.
it's connected, I would say.
Yeah.
And how do we solve this out? What is the main solution for this?
Yeah. I'll be honest, I'm not an expert in this, particular topic. तभी मैं सच कुछ ऐसा कुछ मैं फर्म एडवाइस नहीं दूंगा. बट जितना मेरे को अभी तक पता है, मोस्टली जेनेटिकल. जेनेटिक्स से बहुत ज़्यादा रिलेटेड है. लाइक इफ यू हैव योर ग्रैंडफादर और यू आइदर ऑन योर मैटरनल साइड और
But there are many cases
yeah.
Which are not genetic.
That's because of deficiencies, your lifestyle issue, the food,
Lifestyle issues.
the your blood work, these kind of things. You're not active. Again, all of these things are connected here. And hair loss, वो तो external चीज होगी. Ask them some internal questions.
Why is it happening? That's actually
Because of deficiencies.
Yeah.
Your body, अब देखो आपके बॉडी में कुछ पार्ट्स चाहिए उसको, on a daily basis. जैसे गाड़ी में पेट्रोल चाहिए ना रोज चलाने के लिए. अगर पेट्रोल की जगह कुछ और डाल रहे होगे, अब पेट्रोल वाली कार में अगर आप डीजल डाल रहे होगे, वो चलेगी नहीं चलेगी ना. लग्जरी कार्स में अगर एग्जांपल ले लो, मर्सिडीज में अगर आप रेगुलर गैस डालोगे, तो क्या बोलते हैं, उसकी इंजन की एफिशिएंसी खराब होती है, बिकॉज दैट्स नॉट द बेस्ट ग्रेड ऑफ ऑयल. द सिमिलर थिंग इज विद प्रोसेस फूड्स. इफ यू आर पुटिंग प्रोसेस फूड्स इनटू योर बॉडी, यू आर नॉट परफॉर्मिंग एट योर बेस्ट.
So there are many processed foods. उनकी अगर बात करें तो they say zero trans fat.
या
Even chips say zero trans fat.
या
And healthy options are there for chips as well now. Or there are these juices.
या
Healthy juices are there. But when you look at their content,
या
if a juice has 40% sugar, how can it be healthy?
This is a very common
and-
debate going these days in India
Yeah,
as
and,
well.
and this
Yeah.
you'll see in the content that
Yeah.
real fruit juice there is like concentrated 6%,
Yeah.
and everything else is like 94%.
Processed foods में I just say one thing, they are designed by a man to build a revenue. That's the whole concept about processed foods. किसी का बिजनेस है, किसी का प्रोडक्ट है, उनको क्या लेना देना आपकी हेल्थ से. उनको एक चीज़ से मतलब है, यार इतना इन्वेस्ट किया, मेरे को इतना गेन चाहिए. $1,000 मैंने लगाए, I want 5 into ROI. It's a business by a man. That's what processed food is. Understand the core of it.
And what we're talking about, this FSAI in India, they're regulating if the
Yeah.
food is good for you or not.
Yeah.
Do they regulate then?
Again, regulation पे वही चीज़ें आ गई ना कि like it's again done by a man. You need to understand these things. When God has given you, enough resources जो naturally earth से निकल रहे हैं, those whole foods and all, they're designed by God. You're saying me कि should I choose man over God? Ask yourself. जो ये भी organizations हैं, ये सब जो
So we are
FSSAI
talking about all packaged foods,
yeah.
all these fast foods as well.
मैं वही कह रहा हूँ, जहाँ पे मैन इन्वॉल्व हो गया, वो कंप्लीटली वन साइडेड हेल्थ साइड हो ही नहीं सकता. वहाँ पे प्रॉफिट, बिजनेस, ये सब चीज़ें आएंगी. इन चीज़ों में कुछ गलत नहीं है. अगेन समवन हु इज डूइंग दीज थिंग्स, दे ऑल्सो नीड टू मेक अ लिविंग. इट्स जस्ट दैट एज अ कंज्यूमर यू शुड बी रिस्पॉन्सिबल. अगेन गलत कुछ नहीं है इन चीज़ों में, बट इफ यू आर डूइंग इट मेजॉरिटी वाइज, रेशियो मैटर्स. 80%.
So you can make profits basically for the companies. I'm saying
Yeah.
You should make profits, but in a way that your customer is not suffering because of your profits.
There are different ways out of it. Again, फिर वहाँ पे हम बिजनेस साइंस में आ जाते हैं. उनकी सप्लाई चेन कॉम्प्रोमाइज़ हो जाएगी if they just keep it natural. They need to optimize their own their own operations as well. अब खुद सोचो एक fresh food रोज deliver करने में कितना effort लगेगा. It's not optimized.
So
But
they
are
just
consumers willing to pay that
preserve
much of
it.
amount?
They just preserve it.
Basically, they are selling you convenience and instant gratification. And in return of that, you are selling your health to them. That's the give and take barter system that you're doing. After paying money. Money
What?
अलग से जा रहा है.
Is it worth?
हाँ?
Is it worth?
Ask yourself. खुद सोचो कि is it worth?
Okay.
Is it अब यहाँ पे वही चीज़ आ गई. Is it worth to be underconfident and I'm able to accept that okay I can enjoy these processed foods. मेरे को रोज ब्लू लेस चाहिए पर मेरे को चलेगा यार अगर ऐसे नहीं आ रहा लाइफ में क्या मतलब मेरे को रोज चिप्स खाने हैं.
What I'm getting to is tiffins.
Mm-hmm.
Very famous in
Yeah.
People living outside India
Yeah.
because they save you time.
Yeah.
And would not to name any tiffin service, many tiffin services say you, why do you want to spend this much time doing groceries, coming back home, then cooking food?
Yeah.
Why not to utilize that time in somewhere else? And we'll give you good food
Yeah.
in $200 a month. So one thing which triggers your mind is if they are not making 50% minimum profit out of it, then doing business is useless.
Now understand the logic of compounding here. This $3 a day that you're saving today compounds into $40,000 medical bill. And गलती उनकी भी नहीं
So
है.
they
Business
say-
wise they are correct.
So of course, then business wise, carbonated drinks
Yeah.
are correct.
Yeah.
Business wise, canned foods are correct.
Yes.
Business wise, all these
Yeah. Yeah.
preservatives and everything is correct. But for us,
As a
what is
consumer,
correct?
as a consumer,
what is
they are
correct?
just selling you instant gratification. Human psychology works that way.
What they say, आपको सुबह 6 बजे खाना आ जाएगा.
Yeah.
It will be fresh food with everything good,
Yeah.
with nuts, with everything. But again comes down to a point कि is it worth for us?
सबसे पहले तो ना when it comes to your health and fitness, सबसे पहले ये चीज़ अंडरस्टैंड करो कि everyone's body is different. When I say everyone's body is different, जो आपकी न्यूट्रिशन नीड्स हैं वो अलग है मेरी बॉडी की न्यूट्रिशन नीड्स से.
Then why do we say कि like every human being needs 5 grams of this? Me being into medical
Yeah.
field by
Yeah,
myself, we have this calculator that according to your weight, your height,
Yeah.
you need this much milligram of,
Yeah.
let's say, magnesium in your body every day.
Yes. Yes.
This much of iron in your body every day.
Yes.
Calcium in your body every day.
Yes. तो आपने वहाँ पे वो बॉडी वेट फैक्टर ऐड कर दिया ना तो वो चेंज हो गया हर एक का. अब जैसे माई वेट वुड बी अराउंड लाइक 70 kgs.
I think they just standardize it for everyone.
You mean like the intake?
Yeah, they just standardize the intake, different services.
हाँ.
But
वही तो
I
मैं कह रहा
don't
हूँ.
think
Yeah.
कि do they really think this much?
They don't. They are not nutritionists. They are not health practitioners. They are someones who need to pay their own bills as well. They have family to be taken care of. They figure out something, okay, this is working. I have customers. Business wise is the only, the core reason behind it. Profits. That's what I said. The whole reason
So they
behind
provide you the basic thing with which you can be satisfied
Yeah.
and you feel कि it's healthy.
Yeah. Again, when it comes to healthy and unhealthy, your overall diet matters. But चीज़ वही है कि like whatever portions that they are, selling to you, वो सब customers के same होते हैं. That means the guy who is like 100 kgs is eating the same tiffin, and the guy who is like 50 kgs is eating the same tiffin. But their bodies are different, their nutrition needs are different.
Of course.
That's the gap. That's where I said, as a consumer, be smart and figure out that gap, and majority of the times, 80% of times, stick to your individual whole foods things. And अगर ये चीज़ें ही सिर्फ ऑप्शन होती ना मैं खुद ये चीज़ें कर रहा होता. I'm a very lazy cook, I said you. But there are options with zero cooking time. Like I have my younger brother here. He came here in into Canada like last April, and it's been almost like an year now. पूरे एक साल में I haven't seen him eating a pizza at my home. I live with my friends here. मेरे घर पे hardly कोई junk food आता है. Hardly. Yeah.
If your friends are millennials, if
Yes.
4 millennials are with you,
Yes.
you'll be 5th millennial.
Exactly. So
Same with
social
finances.
consumption. बात
Exactly.
वही आ गई ना at last. So choose wisely. Choice options हर जगह हैं. Choice matters. What do you choose to be with? And again, as I said, 20% कर भी सकते हो ये चीज़ें. कुछ गलत नहीं है. That's life. But be, self-aware about these things. एंड इफ़ यू आर स्ट्रॉन्ग इनफ यू वुड योरसेल्फ बी एन इंस्पिरेशन. ये होता है, मैंने अपने बहुत सर्कल्स में देखा. मैं सिर्फ अपनी रिजल्ट्स के बारे में ब्रैग नहीं कर रहा. द अदर सर्कल्स में भी मेरे कुछ क्लाइंट्स की एग्जांपल ले लो. व्हेन दे ट्रांसफॉर्म्ड देयर एंटायर सर्कल स्टार्टेड सम काइंड ऑफ
Started
फिटनेस
transforming.
regime. Yes. As humans we just need to see a live example कि यार अगर ये कर सकता मैं क्यों नहीं कर सकता. ये
बिल्कुल
तो बहुत कॉमन है.
बिल्कुल.
That's how community works. That's how human psychology has evolved. That's how humans are. We are social animals. Homo sapiens सारी species ही इस तरह से डिजाइन हुई है.
One piece of advice uh, for our listeners, the last piece of advice you would like to give.
Yeah. As I said, first of all, whatever situation that you are into, if you're working a night shift, if you are a businessman, if you are a parent, or if you're a kid, it could be any situation. Accept that. When I say acceptance, with acceptance comes responsibility. And when you accept a situation, when you are responsible about it, you have a strong why. And once you have a strong why, you can bear anyhow. Then you will yourself figure out that formula that you need to reach that result. Now, think tonight, when you're watching this video, when you're watching this podcast, think over it and figure out your strong why. Do this exercise. उसको चाहे फ़ोन पे वॉलपेपर लगाओ या प्रिंट करके फ़ोन पे लगाओ कि ये है. You will yourself figure it out. बाकी मैंने क्या बोला था, ChatGPT है, Google है, YouTube है, सब
Of
कुछ है.
course. Lovely.
Yeah.
Thank you very much for coming.
Thank you
Thanks
so
a
much,
lot.
sir.